Right now, the internet is undergoing a species evolution. You might not even have noticed yet. You're scrolling through Instagram or TikTok, and you see these mega influencers, millions of followers, wearing custom couture, sipping espresso in a Parisian cafe. But here's the kicker. Some of them literally do not exist. Welcome to 2026. We've officially entered the era of visual identity decoupling. In the old days, being a creator meant massive overhead, expensive cameras, lighting rigs, and overcoming social anxiety. But today, the top 1% of creators are moving backstage. They aren't showing their faces, they're running empires of AI influencers. This isn't just a tech trend, it's the total acidization of content. Let's define the landscape. In 2026, an AI influencer is a digital persona built using generative AI. They have backstories, social lives, and opinions. Industry standards now group them into 3 buckets. Non-human mascots, think brand pets, purely for fun. Semi-realistic anime, the evolution of Miku, driven by fan culture. Hyper-realistic humans, this is where the real money is. These avatars have pores, stray hairs, and micro-expressions so perfect they can fool almost anyone. These digital icons have the triple threat: 100% controlled imagery, infinite productivity, and zero risk of a PR scandal. Let's look at the titans breaking the fake person stigma. First, the GOAT Aitana Lopez. This pink-haired fitness model from Spain is now a digital ATM. Recent reports show she's pulling in over $12,000 a month in brand deals with giants like Nike and Victoria's Secret. Why do brands love her? She doesn't get tired, she doesn't ask for a raise, and she never has a bad hair day. Then there's the long-term winner, Lil Miquela. Lil Miquela isn't a trend, she's infrastructure. Launched years ago, she has evolved into one of the most commercially successful AI influencers in the world, collaborating with brands like Prada, Calvin Klein, Samsung, and PacSun. What makes Miquela powerful? It's consistency and narrative control. She has a clear personality, a defined worldview, and a storyline that evolves over time. Brands don't just rent her face. They plug into a fully managed media asset that never drifts off brand, never causes PR scandals, and never goes offline. In 2026, this is the real shift. If your AI avatar only looks real, it's a demo. If it has memory, positioning, and narrative continuity, it's a brand. According to Fortune Business Insights, the virtual influencer market has exploded past $27 billion this year. The logic is brutal but efficient. Cost disruption. A traditional shoot with a human model starts at $5,000 per day. An AI model is 24/7 and teleports globally for the cost of electricity. Multi-market personalization. You can generate localized versions of the same influencer. One version for the US market, one for the Middle East, one for Southeast Asia, each adapted to local tastes and languages. This is impossible for a human to pull off at scale. So, if the business model is so solid, why isn't everyone winning yet? Most beginners are paralyzed by one thing: visual inconsistency. This is the surface-level reason why 90% of AI creators fail. Your influencer has an oval face in video 1, but a square jaw in video 2. In a commercial setting, that is fatal. You can't build brand recognition or audience loyalty on a shapeshifter. But if you think keeping the face steady is the only hurdle, you're stuck in 2024. In 2026, the game has evolved. Here are the 3 hidden killers that separate the amateurs from the empires. The plastic trap. Most AI videos look too perfect, but audiences today crave human messiness. If your influencer's skin is poreless and the lighting is perfectly symmetrical, people will scroll past in a heartbeat. Real conversion comes from UGC texture. Natural skin imperfections, a slight camera shake, and the way ambient light actually bounces off real fabric. The style drift. A major mistake isn't wearing the wrong clothes, it's losing the vibe. An influencer can be versatile, but they must have a style DNA. Whether she's in old money chic in London or dopamine brights in Tokyo, the aesthetic logic must be hers. If the styling feels random, the brand identity breaks. In 2026, brands don't just pay for the face, they pay for your AI's aesthetic leverage. The soul gap? Most creators treat AI like a puppet. But a true influencer is a digital personality. If your voiceover is a generic bot and your captions are AI-generated fluff, you aren't building a brand. You're just creating electronic noise. You need a digital persona that resonates, one with opinions, a specific tone, and a sense of lived experience. The million-dollar question is, how do you build a rock-solid UGC-quality persona that is visually stable, aesthetically elite, and actually feels real enough to trust? In the next episode, I'm taking you inside the dashboard of JoggAI to solve exactly that. I'll show you how to use their 2026 workflow to lock in your soul anchor, how to use the JoggAI for micro-expressions, and how to maintain character consistency while showcasing a high-end, versatile style that brands will literally fight for. It's budget-friendly, and you can do it entirely solo. Don't go anywhere. The real how-to starts in part 2. I'm Amber. I'll see you in the next one.